everyone. This is the first time I am recording on my bedroom carpet for a long while, but there is reason for that, because this is really big. This is my convex, well, it's not convex made, because that's obviously just my little thing that I've made, but it's a kinetic dummy bell box with convex stickering on it, and I was just making this really quick video just to demonstrate what I've done to it. So obviously, yeah, I've done that sticker, but there's also, if you can see in there, one of the little LED strobes that you can take the top cover off. One of the ones that uses these little back plates, but I can't even really use those, they're not very good. But here I have two plugs. This is my 12-volt plug and then my 5-volt plug. 12-volt plug powers the strobe, and the 5-volt plug actually powers a little steady comfort LED that I've put into this. So let's demonstrate. Ow, it just melts on a terminal block. So this is the strobe. And this is the comfort LED. So it doesn't flash or anything because all it is an LED wired with a resistor, and then that's just wired to the 5-volt plug, because 5 volts blows these little tiny LEDs because they're not the greatest. And then here's them both together. You can see it flashing on the ceiling there. Now, if you were to look at the time, you can see that it's 11:45 at night, which is also why I'm talking quite quietly. But I'm not going to set the siren off. I've got a sound bomb in there. I am not setting that off because, yeah, I will get killed. Yeah, but that concludes this short, really quick little video. I hope you enjoyed it.